yeah, bro, I done it. All right, guys. So today we're gonna be talking about why the Volvos like to rust out on the floor. One of the issues is
we're fixing for a customer.
For a customer, exactly.
Right,
as you can see, we got the seats removed, mats removed, everything. Look at the rust on this. You can see it's already pretty. It's shot.
Why does it happen?
You get water coming in from the sun, that visor up on top, or some of the panels start leaking. You get water, moisture. It runs behind these panels, and it all collects up right here, and it's nowhere to go, so it's just gonna rust up.
And why does the floor cave in? Do you know?
It caves in because, you know, this is the most common spot. So you're driving, you're sitting here all day, and there's no support beam on the lower side, but also walking to the back of the sleeper is really weak right here. If you're on the heavier side, it's obviously gonna affect it, as you can see this one.
And then the water sits, like you said, and then it just
it's gonna rust up, you know, over time. This is what, it's 05, so.
And then you can see it from the bottom.
Yeah, if you're gonna go purchase a truck for the first time,
you're not gonna
inspect the lower side of the cab. You're not gonna have that ground clamp on there. But yeah, just always inspect the lower side. If you see any rust, major rust, I mean, keep that in mind. Keep that in mind.
Especially the floor, because that's just
yeah, it's the main part of the cab.
A little bit more labor to fix it.
Yeah,
and you can find those that are not rusty. Usually the ones that come from the Rust Belt and north part of the U.S.
Yeah, definitely. All right, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.